This one is a stone hut in the Blue Mountains. Water has played havoc with the foundations, causing subsidence of the sandstone blocks. It is presently used as a bushwalking base camp, and in its previous life as an inspirational poetic retreat. Our attack was to insert 4 pins to arrest further settlement and a rear dig out and French drain insertion to pick up the hillside runoff and direct away from the foundations. To make it more interesting, we had to deal with no power and no water needed for concrete mixing. The owners are happy with the results achieved.